opening these things up. I'm about to lose it.
Can't stop, won't stop.
So as you can see, I did my brows off camera because I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Mine is dusty, but that's okay. So for the first color, we're gonna do this orange right here and mix it with this, like, it's like a mauve-y brown. After you swoop it out, so you get a good setup for that kind of crease. Wow, I look crazy, boy. Perfect. Then I'm gonna take this unknown BH Cosmetics brush, just a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with this reddish color right here, just to Jesus, that's dark. Just to deepen up. Morphe M441 brush. Just deepen it a little bit more. It's more of a pointed brush, so it gets really just a bunch a little bit more. And I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eye crease brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here to go right in that crease, boy, right in it. Mind you, it's after 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing makeup. Ooh, good. That's the life I live. Yeah, artistic. So you're really just using this to deepen the crease, so it's popping more when you cut it. That's all you're doing right now. Let me come a little closer. And I go back in with that original brush that I used in that, like, that orange pink mixture, just so I can go back up top and kind of, I know this isn't the way y'all typically blend, but let me tell you how I blend. I just want to help that not be as deep dark. So I'm going to take this flat brush. This is a BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to cut my crease using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C13. I think I've been through like 4 bottles of this. I liked Tarte Shape Tape, but sis, who's going to spend $20 on it every time when it lasts so little time? Not I. Anyways, so the way I cut my crease is I look at myself for a little bit and just see. You want to cut your crease above your actual like crease line so it doesn't look weird. So the way I cut it, I actually put a bit on the back of my hand. And I get rid of the nose. BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. I got a lot of these eye brushes from a BH Cosmetics bag. Like, they sell them at Kohl's. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with this neutral color. Y'all can see which colors I obviously use the most. And I'm just gonna pat onto the concealer. So I'm just gonna set. God? Is that you? Filling these things up. I'm about to lose this. That's the thing. That's really the thing. I think I can fix it later, but Jesus, take the wheel. This, I'm about to burn up because I'm stressing out. And I have this turtleneck on. I thought it was chilly. Then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Catcall. It's this pink one. Of course, my overall look is not gonna be like pinkish tones, or it's not the goal. But I don't want to use like glitter glue. So anyways, I'm just gonna line my crease. So the actual goal of this is to be bronzy. So I have this e.l.f. body glitter. It says body glitter, but I'm trying to figure out who's about to do that. It's in the color Bronze Comet. Dip the brush of the Urban Decay. I don't want to look up too much because I don't want it to transfer. So I dip the brush of the Urban Decay glitter in it, like so, and I just go on. you feel that your line is too thick, I have these pointed tweezers. These pointed tweezers that I just go under and kind of scrape. Okay, so I'm just going to do eyeliner and apply lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the lashes and the liner. This is what it looks like. Ooh, can't blink too hard now, might get stuck. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I know y'all can find something to comment about because I know I'm just a mess. So, just let me know if you have anything that you would like to see. I know someone wanted me to do an eyeliner tutorial, so I think I might do that. I just threw it on my face honestly, but I have to get a new eyeliner. But this is the finished look. Please let me know if you have any comments, concerns. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe in that order. Don't forget to hit that notification button at the bottom of the page or next to the subscription button. Don't forget, it's okay if you forget, but just come back. Make a reminder, it's fine. I won't be petty. I won't be petty.